So let's install a supervisor. So supervisor is a Python program that allows you to control and keep running any Unix process. So what we want to achieve is these 2, 3, 4 different commands we want to run as a process independently 24/7, and they should restart whenever something crashes. So in order to do that, we are going to use supervisor. We will use it to make sure processes are always running. Different process which we use right now, or different process which we want to keep always running, is admin panel, our telegram service. Right now our project is very basic, but in advanced projects we have salary workers, we have flowers, we have salary beat, and some sort of other services which we want. We can definitely use supervisor in order to do that. There are some of the alternatives available to supervisor as well, but right now we are only sticking to supervisor because it is very simple. So first of all, we have to run the supervisor command. Let's go to our server and install this command. Now our supervisor is installed successfully. So the next step is we have to provide some of the configuration. Now what is the configuration? I have attached a snippet. So let's just talk about this. We have to create a file called this inside a supervisor, and this can be any, this will be against your name. You can name it whatever you want to. And in this we are going to create a program with the name this. So you can say that there is going to be a service called Telegram bot service. Whenever you are going to see, it will be see like this, and what it is going to run, it is going to run this particular command. Now what this command says. So first of all, we provide the Python path which we have to use. Then we provide the file path which is manage.py, and then this is Telegram bot telebot command. So just imagine, currently we run python manage.py and telebot. Currently we run python manage.py and telebot. Now when we run this code, we know that we are into particular directory and we have activated particular python. So we easily able to run this code. But when this particular command is going to run as an independent service, it needs to know which python it has to execute and which particular file it needs to run, and this command, or basically this parameter, is going inside this particular file. So we have to give exact path of each and everything, like the versions, the Python environment, and the running file. So this is the command which is going to run, and we are going to say, okay, this is the directory, number of processes is going to be 1. Whatever it will do, it will output a log file on our directory. We can choose this path. So for the sake of simplicity, I'm just put it inside our code, and the same way this error log file, and auto restart, auto start, auto restart, and start. These are some of the settings which is being required. So first service I want is for Telegram, and the other service I want is for admin panel. So there is only small change. We have just changed this thing. The rest everything is same, because this is the command which we want to run, and that's it. So let's do one thing. Let's create this file on the server. So what we can do is we can do sudo. Why? Because we need a root permission in order to run this thing. So we need root permission, and just copy this. I'm just going to paste it. Yeah. So once this file is ready, what I need to do is I need to inform supervisor that there is some update. Just reread it, and it says okay. So it says that Telegram bot file logs file is missing. Let's see. Yep. What we can do is we can create logs directory, and now let me read it. And it says Telegram bot logs. Okay, so let me change something. Our path is this Telegram bot, then Telegram bot services. Yeah, so this is I have to provide the correct. This is my exact path, and seems like I have missed something over here. Let's change. So there was a small discrepancy in the root folder. Earlier it was pointing to this, but actually the whole path was Telegram bot, and then we have environment and code file. So what I have done is I have updated all these root folder from this to this, and let's refresh the file on my server. It's inside supervisor conf d and then my services, and let's delete it. And I have copy pasted again, and let's run this command sudo supervisor ctl reread, and yes, now it has accepted our file, and now just update, and it has been updated, and let's see the status. So our service is up and running. So since my service is running, let's see our admin is working now. Yes, our admin is working now, and let's see if states is working. Yes, this is a Telegram bot is also working. Let me just stop the services with this command, stop all. It says that admin panel services has been stopped, Telegram bot services is stopped. Now let's see, there is no response. Now let's see, there is no response, and let's start. Let's start all the services, and then yes, I have got the response, and my server is also up. So after installing supervisor, you can leave your application on the server, and you don't need to go and check every time if it is working or not. If sometimes it crashes, it will restart. If the server restart, your service will also restart. So this is the benefit of using supervisor, and congrats, you have made your application live on the server. In the next step, we will see how whenever we change some of our code, how we can deploy this on the server uh, with a file. Like, we don't have to go manually log into the server and install all those dependencies and do all those manual steps. In the next video, we will see how we can do it automatically with a simple file using Fabric. Thank you.